ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence (AI) model that uses machine learning to generate natural language text. This is like a complete resource for any person to improve his skills and to gain, improve and upgrade his knowledge at free of cost. Just search the things you need, it gives the best results that are on internet. Isn't it surprising? Yes, technology is this advanced now. You can also minimize your time usage for any specific task and earn more money using this one. It helps you in writing blogs, coding, writing essays, and even can write you a complete script for your story. You give the character's name and the genre of story, it will generate complete story, so you can select the story and build further things on your need. In short, we can say that this is the assistant for you free of cost and with 24/7 availabilities. Now let's see how we can use it efficiently. If you don't know how to log in and use ChatGPT, I have made a complete video about it. Check it once, it would be helpful. Search ChatGPT in any browser and open ChatGPT. Then we will see here how to write a blog. If we need to write a blog, we need to do lots of research and make every note. And then write it in standard way in a particular format, it takes you more time. But using this, if you ask to write a blog on the needed topic, it will give you a complete blog about the topic automatically. You just take it as reference and build it. Or you can directly post if you are satisfied with it. Now I will say, write a blog on iPhone 13 features. Let's see how it responds. Yeah, this is how it responds. It gives you a complete detailed blog with a neat format. Then you can also add other data to this and post this blog, or can directly post this itself. If you don't know where to post, don't worry when ChatGPT is here. If you are not satisfied with answer, you can ask it again by clicking on Regenerate Response. So, it gives you other new blog with different content this time. You can also ask it as where to post the blog. It gives you some suggestions so you can choose one and post the blog. It's that easy. No need to search hundreds of things and again get confused. Just ask for help and it will be there for you. Now we will see if it can build and write a story for us. We ask it to write a romantic story with male lead as Ram and female lead as Sita. And it gave us a beautiful story where Ram and Sita find their soulmates. See how fast you can write a story that too with beautiful romantic plot with less efforts. Now let's ask this in another way where the genre will be horror. And did you see how it changed the story mode to horror? Where the ghost will arrive and give some problems. But our hero Ram somehow rescued Sita in the end. This is how we can use GPT for building story plots. Similarly, you can ask it for jokes, songs, drama, essays, and many more things. You can also use the obtained story and make it a video without using your own voice. You just copy the obtained story and convert the text to voice format, which is the feature available in most of the video editing platform, and upload it in YouTube or in other platforms where you can earn money. We can also ask it to write a script for the video. Here we ask it to write a script for a YouTube video of introduction to programming languages. So this is how perfectly it gave us the result. With what is programming language and different types, and with conclusion. We can just convert it to voice format. That is, convert the obtained text format result to voice format. And then add some images and slides of programming languages, and your new video of programming language will be available to upload to your YouTube channel. Once we'll see how we can do it. Open a video editor platform and then copy the obtained result and convert it to voice format. You have many voice formats, but I prefer the default things.
Hi and welcome to our Introduction to Programming Languages video. Today, we're going to be talking about the various types of programming languages and their uses.
Then you add some images to the video and finish. The video is ready. This is how simple it is.
Hi and welcome to our Introduction to Programming Languages video. Today, we're going to be talking about the various types of programming languages and their uses. But first,
This is how quick and easy it is to make a video. Then you can export the video and use it for further purposes. Now we will see how we can use ChatGPT in coding purposes. If you have any coding assignments or any exams, you can even get the code for your questions. Let's check how we can use it. Here I will ask it to print a pyramid of stars in Java language. It gave us the complete answer and code with clear explanation and also image of how the output looks. Now let us check if code works or not through compiling it. Open the online compiler and run it. Here I opened GDB online compiler and compiled the code. Yes, we got the correct pyramid. Its correct answer. This is how it helps in coding. It also helps us in finding the error in the code. So, here I have removed a semicolon and the error occurred. Let's ask ChatGPT what the error is and see whether it identified the error or not. Wow! It identified the error and mentioned it. As well as it also gave us the correct code again. This is amazing. This is how it helps for developers. For debugging the errors easily and getting the code. Besides all its advantage, it also has some limitations such as ChatGPT may also give some wrong answers, so better check the things once and then process to next steps. So, this is how you can improve your efficiency of working and use your time efficiently and get better results. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you felt the video was good.